So we are going to test the range of this transmitter and receiver, the wireless caregiver pager, and we are going to have 5 to 6 concrete volts in between. So we will show you that it has been paired, as you can hear. Now we will stay on the call on the other side as well. So once I will tell to press the button, you will know when we are going to receive the call from this one. So let's start. So this is the transmitter. This is the first wall of the building. Okay. This is the second wall. This is the third wall. This is the fourth wall. This is the fifth wall. And at last, this is the sixth wall. Now what I'm going to do is, I will put this here and going to increase the volume and turn it off, turn it on again. I will pick the call now. Please press the buzzer. Now let's give it a try again. First I will show you where the another person is standing. Can you come outside? So if you will be able to see her, she is just standing there. Now we will just move to the left. Can you go inside? She is inside. Now I will also move to the left side. I will make sure that the transmitter is on. It's on now.